Good afternoon, folks. This is Neil of Simpler Futures, Simpler Trading. It's Thursday, the last day of August. Tomorrow, September 1st, and it is a payroll Friday report day. Non-farm payroll in the morning. And I guess that's the main event because certainly nothing happened today. This is like watching paint dry today. Just nothing but, well, it's a repeat of yesterday too. It's just sideways. So nothing's changed. I mean, if it's the same story as I gave you last night. This same level, same over-under is about 25 or maybe 26, 25, 26 is the main most traded price. The HVN is the point of control for the entire week so far. So, but tomorrow being Friday and that heading us into a long weekend because of a holiday Monday, I'm gonna let it go either way. I'm gonna use 25.6 as 26, I guess 25.6 as the over under up there, and I'm it's gonna be up to the report, obviously. Which if it's a big number, it's gonna be bearish. If it's light, then that would be bullish, I think. But I'm going to be looking primarily short, I think. I'm going to prefer the short side on profit taking / pulling back down into the range of this, this big run up. And I'm going to have in mind a couple of targets here. You can see one of the fib levels there is 44.90, but then value area low 44.70, and then back to from where it started on Tuesday, which 44.50. So if you take all that and sort of, if you will, split the difference, 44.70. I mean, there's a couple of 3 levels in there, but basically split the difference and it's 44.70. That's what I'll have in mind for tomorrow. Now, if it goes higher, it's fine. If it wants to go higher, then it'd be 45, probably 60 and 75 would be the 2 levels on the top. 60 and 75 on the top. And my lean preference, anyway, I prefer it be a profit taking kind of a Friday. It's going to go either way. You got a main line in the sand. If you're above that, it's bullish. And below that, we have permission to kind of look and lean a little short. And it's important that you have a kind of a target down there, which I would have in mind as being 44.70. So that's what I got. That's what I see for right now. I see crude. I mean, crude's a trade. Crude's long, man. If you can get crude bought for around 82.5 on dips. OPEC's talking about cuts again. They're citing China's doom, whatever, for reduced demand, and so you use that as an excuse for cuts. And of course, that's going to prop the price of crude up. That's maybe even a better trade, really. But as far as what we cover a lot here in the YouTube video thing, then it's kind of S&Ps, and I just sort of be leaning on the short side a little bit as preference. But above, look, here's the thing. I mean, if it's above 25, then you're gonna be hard pressed to be leaning short. It's it's gonna be long. So that's it. Good trade. Nice evening. Hope you have a good weekend. Nice long weekend, relaxing holiday weekend, and we'll get you again here next week when get things started back up for September. Take care.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me